Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gitaartheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in the present age of darkness known as the Kali Yuga. Shlok number 61.
अग्निशुद्ध समन्तात ज्वाला परिचकाधिया मंत्रराज मिमं मन्ये अहर्निशं पातु मृत्युतः.
O Goddess, I hold that this king of mantras, Guru, being pure as gold, refined in fire, and tested thoroughly in the flames of reason, always protects one from death. The word Guru is the word supreme, refined like gold and by reason tried. With the mantra Guru, O Parvati, a man need have no fear of death. The Guru's glance gets purified in the fire of knowledge. It becomes divine in the fire of yoga. Whatever the Guru says, speaks, and talks gets the importance and is as great as a mantra. If the seeker contemplates on it, he is protected from difficulties. The nectar of the Guru's words saves one from the fear of death. One should not think that death means the death of body only. This is a very narrow meaning. The death of I am body mentality. The death of egoism means to be reborn, to achieve eternity, and to become fearless. To forget all about our divinity is real death. The Guru's divine glance, his nectar-like words, his power of speech saves us from our forgetfulness of God and keeps us constantly reminding of the self. The Guru's graceful glance is the king of mantras. He who is indifferent towards physical discomforts and comforts is the real seeker. He is detached from the body. He looks at his body as the temple of Guru. Therefore, the real seeker will never approach the Guru to ask deathless state of body or for long and eternal life. He knows that to forget one's own divine nature and not to recognize is the real death. The Guru protects us from this death day and night. Therefore, one should go to the Guru to get back this remembrance and for self-realization. This stanza is telling us this truth. Only that Guru alone can save us from the ego, this forgetfulness, and remind the soul of its divine nature. The Guru ends the egoism, I-ness and minus. He does not let the I am body feeling rise in the bosom of the seeker. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.